Yeah, what's it for anybody watching this? HR managers, I always try and get HR managers to watch it and things like that. If there's a possibility for a quick three-step process, what's the three-step process that Pinky works through to get yourself into to the frame to be able to do it, and the three-step process to start that conflict resolution?
Good question. So there's three core things that I would say to do is first of all, you need to tolerate the discomfort. And what I mean by that is actually staying in that conversation that is very uncomfortable long enough to actually reach some kind of clarity, not just relief and not just saying, oh, right, okay, yeah, you said what you've had to say, now that's it. I'm talking about you have to get uncomfortable about this discomfort that you're feeling.